All right, the first thing that you'll want to do in order to stand out in a saturated coaching market is remove a common barrier, particularly a barrier that people hate. So a great example of this is you'll see a lot of weight loss coaches saying, I can help you lose weight without counting calories, right? So counting calories is like a dreaded barrier that people who are on the journey to lose weight hate doing. So you want to think about what is the arena that you coach on and what is something that your target market thinks they have to do in order to achieve the result, but they absolutely hate doing it, right? In fact, I even have a masterclass, a free masterclass where I teach you my strategies for getting consistent clients. And in that masterclass, I say, I'm gonna help you attract clients without a large following, a Facebook ads budget, or needing to do, some big launch, because I know that those are barriers that people who are just getting started or even people who have been in coaching for a long time really hate. They really dread. They hate this idea that they have to go out and spend a bunch of money on Facebook ads or do some huge launch or waste, all this time trying to get a gazillion Instagram followers. So by the way, if you want to check out that masterclass, it's at CourtneyLSanders.com/masterclass. But that's just an example of removing a common barrier that your target market hates. So that's an easy way to stand out. So think about whatever arena you're in, whether it's health and fitness, whether it's finance, whether it's love and relationships, whatever it is that you do, ask yourself, what is something that your target market thinks they have to do, but with your methodology, they won't have to do, and really call that out in your marketing and in your branding.